We're gonna replace the cabin and engine air filters in my 2013 Toyota Corolla. Let's go. Here's what we got. Cabin air filter, engine air filter. Let's start with the cabin. First, unlock your car. It's inside the glove box. So you're gonna wanna open up your glove box and get right inside here. There's this little pin. You just squish it together. Just like that. There's this piece back here, right there, that you press in, force the whole thing in, and then it'll drop. Do the same on the other side. Force that in, and drop. And all of your stuff falls out. Back in there is your cabin air filter. And it's got little tabs on the sides. So you get the tabs, and it comes right out. This little CD guard for it. Airflow is going down, so I'm gonna keep it going down. Look at that. That is nasty. This one doesn't have airflow direction on it. It just says up, so we're gonna face it up. It goes like that. And this also goes up. It's got the little sign on it. And this hooks in the back. I don't know if we can see that. This has a little base in it. So you hook that into the back there and push it in here. Make the noise. Well, the camera turned off when I did that. So let's just wind up as well. And just push that right on. And there you go. That is not very lined up. Let's see how to fix it. The bottom under here is not hooked in place. If you can get that lined up and popped into place, that will work out better. Let's do the engine air filter. I don't want to insult you with stupid details that you should already know, but I'm going to. First, you should pop your hood. Okay, here's your beautiful, clean engine bay with a perfect looking battery. But right behind your battery is going to be your air filter box. I'm sure this has a better name than that. Now you're going back here, unhook that. That's really easy. There's another one back here behind it. Same deal, unhook that. So you pick it up, and this is on a hinge. So you just take that out of the hinge, pick that up, and you can take the air filter out. This one also is in need of replacement. That little sharp corner actually goes down in this corner, bottom left. That's the only sharp one. What's nice is that this will not fit any other way. Put that in. There we go. Okay. All right. Snap it back on, just like that. Snap it back on. And you're all done.